Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing how we can sort the birthdays. Now I am having a list of 12 Indian cricketers and their birthdays. Objective is to sort these birthdays such that focus is just on month and date and not year. Player born in earliest part of year should come first. If two players have same month of birth, then the player who born earlier than other in that particular month should come first. The code for that I have written, and the logic that I am using here was explained in video 2 where I swap the value between the two cells. I will run this code line by line and will explain you. So first I am declaring the variables I, j as integer, temp as date and temp name as string. Now I am using two for loops. And in that I am using the if condition. So first it will check for the month, and if the two players have same month of birth, then it will check for the date. And then if condition satisfies, then it will swap the birthday first between the two players, and then it will swap the name of the player. So it will keep on repeating for 12 players. Let me press F5 and complete the code. So Cheteshwar Pujara is born in earliest part of year, that is 25th Jan. And Dinesh Karthik and Ajinkya Rahane both are born in same month June. But Dinesh Karthik is born on earlier part of June, that is 1st June, and Ajinkya Rahane is born on 6th June. So Dinesh Karthik is coming first and then Ajinkya Rahane. So that's how we can sort the birthdays. Thank you.